I decided to make my own logo. Small, and then that is large. Yes, I have to, yeah. Yes, my dear. Ta-da. And then should be different. Okay, what should I do? Set it. Okay, move all the way up. You see that? All the way up, up, all the way up to the corner. And then okay, and add again, scrap. Oh, should I do this? Crop. R. Now one small letter again. Leona, come here. And set. And size, make it small. Oh, I cannot really make it small. Okay, and then move. Ta-da! Okay, let's see. That's gonna be look, but maybe this one I need to put it down. So I'll choose that one, down a little bit. Adjust this. Let's see if I can. Let's see. Okay, a little bit more down, and move down. Let's see. Okay, maybe up again. Let's do up again. Hi, what you doing? Let's see. Yeah, perfect. I would like to add some heart there, but what should I do? I would like to have some heart, but what should I do? Okay, so I'm gonna make a couple of this and then embroider. Yeah. So this is it. So I make a couple of it and I'm going to embroider now. Change the bottom threads into white, into black. So I'm keep trying. So this is just a trial. So yeah, because I've been wanting to have a logo on my finished product every time I make DIY. So now I have one. Now it's finished. So this is my finished product and I'm going to cut it and try it out. Yeah, it's not perfect, but practice. I will try to figure out what is the best.